Hey, welcome to Booze Hive. Here's how to make the cool looking mocktail, the Magic Butterfly. First, take a pot of hot water, then add a few butterfly pea flowers. Then let it infuse for 15 minutes. If you'd like to pick some of these flowers up, there's a link in the description where I got mine. To make the drink a little sweeter, feel free to add sugar or honey syrup to the water. When the flowers have infused, make sure to filter them out. With that sorted, take your glass, then add the pulp from one passionfruit and some lemon juice. Now the final steps: top the drink with crushed ice, then slowly add your butterfly pea flower syrup. Look at those colours. And there we go, the Magic Butterfly Mocktail. If you plan to try it out, give the video a like. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next drink.